Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check Ryanair rules for check-in baggage. Understanding these rules before you travel can save you from unexpected fees and hassle at the airport. So let's walk through exactly where to find this information on their official site. First, open your web browser and type www.ryanair.com in the address bar. This takes you directly to the Ryanair homepage where you can access all their travel information and policies. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various footer links, and among them you'll see one labeled Help Center. Go ahead and click on that link. The Help Center is your go-to resource for any questions or policy details related to Ryanair flights. Inside the Help Center, you'll notice several categories covering different topics. Look for the section called Bag Rules and click on it. This section breaks down all the baggage policies Ryanair has in place, making it easy to understand what you can and cannot bring on board or check in. Within the Bag Rules section, you'll see different types of baggage options. Click on Checked Baggage to access the specific rules for bags you plan to check in rather than carry on. Now you'll be able to review the detailed baggage requirements. Start by reading the size limits for checked bags. Ryanair typically allows a maximum checked bag size of 80 by 120 by 120 centimeters. These dimensions are important because exceeding them could result in additional charges or your bag being refused at check-in. Next, check the weight restrictions carefully. Usually the maximum weight allowed per checked bag is 20 kilograms. If your bag weighs more than this, Ryanair offers options to purchase extra weight allowance, but it's more cost-effective to buy this in advance online rather than at the airport. Finally, review the fees associated with checked baggage. Ryanair's pricing for checked bags varies depending on several factors, including the weight you select, your specific route, and even the season you're traveling in. Adding checked baggage to your booking online during the reservation process is generally cheaper than paying for it at the airport before security. Take note of these fees so you can budget accordingly and avoid surprises. And there you have it. You've now accessed Ryanair's official checked baggage rules, including size limits, weight allowances, and fee structures, ensuring you're fully prepared for your trip. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.